is Hamdi.
My name is Michael.
And this is our accessibility project. And this project is for our campus because we figured that a lot of the issues on campus, one of the issues on campus is that a lot of the buildings don't have access for people who need it the most, like people who are injured or people who have accessibility issues. So our design would help those who are in need, and this is how it works.
All right, so on the back side here, we have two PIR sensors, which stand for passive infrared. Essentially, they take a background image of the status that the infrared, they take a image essentially of the infrared that's currently in the environment, and then detect a change in the infrared. So assuming that something living, animal, human, whatever, passes through it, that infrared image will change. They'll detect that change, and then they will activate. We have all of these wires around the back and then under a ramp that connect to this servo motor. So, and the LED lights. This front PIR will set off both LED strips. The same thing this sensor in the back does. It will activate both LED strips. However, this sensor in the back here is also connected to a servo motor, which activates this door, which completes our accessibility setup. If somebody approaches our setup, this first sensor at the bottom of the walkway will turn on our LEDs. Despite not having constant detection as they move up the ramp, the LEDs will hopefully stay on by the time that they reach the second sensor. The second sensor will also reactivate your LEDs, but also open your door using the servo motor. And again, the LEDs will also stay on for a longer delay to ensure that people passing by again will be alerted to the setup.
Do one more time.